Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you all the secret iPhone 17 gestures to launch your camera faster. So at first we need to open our device. Here open the settings, and now once here you need to scroll down till you see the action button. Tap it. Here the default value, the default thing set for the action button is the silent mode. But if you move to the third thing, you can see camera. Open the camera to capture the moment. We can set if we can open photos, selfie, video, portrait, selfie. Let me leave it on the camera and go back. Apart from that, here in this device we do have the camera button. So we have to here go into set, camera control, and tap it. Here, as you can see, we have camera control, launch camera. If you tap it, you can just select if you want to launch camera, close camera magnifier. But if you have disabled, just tap camera. Now single click, and let me show you that it works. Here, camera button, it works, and here the action button, it works. Apart from that, here you can just move our finger in the lock screen to open the camera, and it works almost identical, and it's almost that quick. And we do have one way to do so yet. At first, scroll down to the control panel from the top right corner, and here, as you can see, we have by default this camera button here. If you don't see this button because you have the control panel customized, hold the finger in the background, tap under control, and here in the search controls type camera. Tap camera, and this is one new added. Now if you tap it, the camera is opened. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.